this challenge, you're going to have to create it so you have a boat kind of going around and trying to catch fish. Um, so one of the ways that we're going to be playing this one is you're going to have a money bank, right? So every fish you get will earn you money to buy more birds to do the fishing. So you running over the fish with your boat is not enough to catch them. A bird's going to have to catch it for you. Um, so the birds are the toughest part of this, and I just kind of want to give you a little hint on those. So um, when I click this sprite, I create a button here called Buy More Birds. When I click that thing, it's going to broadcast new duck, but of course only if I have enough money. And when it broadcasts, you'll see my cash will go down to 40. Now that duck, right, is going to glide between random points. And if you look at it, so it's going to glide between, pick a random amount of time, a half second to 1.5 seconds, so varying speeds. And it's going to pick a random spot on the map, negative 200, 200, negative 200, 200. And then it's always going to go back to, and in the sensing one, this is a super important block. This one right here. I chose the X position and the Y position of capture, which is the boat, the name of the boat. So it's going to glide away from the boat and then back to the boat over and over again. But you'll notice I have all this stuff with a clone. So when I receive new duck, I'm going to create a clone myself. And when I start as a clone, I'm going to do all this. So I can click buy birds like 3 times, and now I have 3 birds, but you can see I only have the one bird sprite. Something weird happens where you also have to say, okay, when I receive new duck, create a clone of myself, and then when I receive new duck, delete this clone. Watch what happens if I don't have that in there. I create an extra amount of ducks. Oh, sorry, so I click here. The first duck works fine, but the second time, now I have 3 ducks instead of 2 ducks. And you can see it's just going to get worse. I click it again, and now I have so many ducks, so an overabundance, right? So anyway, those are my hints that you're going to have this. This duck part is a little bit difficult, but yeah, everything else I think is well within your realm.